Hello, welcome to Adhyapana Academy Financial Accounting Demo Session. My name is Deepika. I have completed my CMA and working in an organization where it delivers US accounting services. So for this demo section, we will be seeing how to calculate new profit sharing ratio in the event of admission of a partner in a partnership firm. So what is partnership firm? So the partnership firm means two or more person will start a business with a view to share the profits arising from that business they have been carried on. So the business which is started and carried on by the partners are known as partnership firm. The persons who are sharing the profits of the organization or the business carried on by the firm is known as partners. So there is a definition which has been given in Indian Partnership Act 1932. Section 4 defines relation between two or more persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. So this is the definition given in the Indian Partnership Act 1932. What is partnership? So why there is a need to admit a partner? What are the reasons to admit a new partner? Okay. Some partnership firms are carried on by two or more partners. Where we need to understand why we need a new partner to be admitted in the firm, in the existing firm. Okay. So there are majorly three reasons to that. So the first reason is there will be a requirement of additional capital. Whenever there is a requirement of additional capital, they will start looking for a new partner or new partner will be admitted. Or there is a need to improve the managerial efficiency of the business. So they will be looking for a partner where there is a exclusive skill for that managerial efficiency, or they will be looking as a mentor for that business. So whenever there is a need for that purpose, they will be admitting a new partner. The next one is in the foreseeing the new business connections. So for the purpose of acquiring the new business connections or new businesses through that new partner, they will be admitting that new partner. The new partner can be admitted only whenever the mutual consent of all the existing partners are given. So all existing partners are satisfied that new partner can come in, so they can admit it, or else they cannot admit it. Okay. So for example, there is an existing firm which has a partner A and B. Now, with the purpose of any of the three above reasons, they are admitting a new partner known as C, which we can also call as an incoming partner to the firm. So normally when a partner is admitted, the new incoming partner will bring a capital. Okay. Next, they will pay a premium. The new partner will pay a premium for goodwill to sacrificing the partner. Who are the sacrificing the partner? The partners who are sacrificing the share of their future profit in the event of admission of a new partner are known as sacrificing partner. Then the new partner will get a share of a future profit in the firm which is arriving from the business carried on in the firm. And they will, at the time of admission, they will reevaluate the assets and the liabilities of the firm. So these are the major things we have to see in the perspective of the accounting when a new partner is admitted. Okay. So whenever the new partner is admitted, we need to calculate a new profit sharing ratio. So the new profit sharing ratio is calculated on a formula known as sacrificing ratio. So what is the sacrificing ratio? As I before said, the existing partner will sacrifice their share in the future profit to the new partner. In the event of admitting the new partner, the existing partners will sacrifice their share of a profit in the future. So those partners are known as sacrificing partners. So some of the partners can say that I will remain in my share, I will not sacrifice anything. So their share will not change. Those partners are not sacrificing partners. So the partners who they sacrifice their share of profit in the future are known as sacrificing partner. Okay. So for calculating a new ratio, the sacrificing ratio is important. So the sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So when we having any of the two information, we can just calculate whatever the information we need. It's a basic simple math. Okay. So let's see two examples how to derive sacrificing ratio and how to derive new ratio. So we will see each in one example. So the first example is, I am taking the example sum from the book itself, the study material given by the institute. So the first sum, A and B are currently partners in a firm sharing profit or a loss in the ratio 4:3. A new partner C is admitted, and after his admission, new profit sharing ratio between A, B, C becomes 5:3:2. What will be the sacrifice ratio of A and B after admission of C? So, as I before said, the sacrificing ratio formula is old minus new ratio. So there is a partnership firm where there are having a two partners known as A and B, whose share is 4:3. So what is this 4:3? Then the 4:3 is the old ratio. Now C, new partner is admitting. So then after admission of the new partner, the new profit sharing ratio becomes A:B:C is equal to 5:3:2. So what is they are asking us to calculate what will be the sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio is equal to old minus new. Okay. So A, old, B, C. The old ratio and new ratio have been listed down. So for calculating A and B's sacrificing ratio, we have to find old minus new. So the old ratio will be 4/7 minus new ratio 5/10. Okay. So now we are converting the ratio format into a fraction format. Okay. So 4/7 means 4 divided by 7. What is this 7? 4 plus 3, the old ratio. Next 5/10 means the 10 will be the sum of 5 plus 3 plus 2, the new ratio. Okay. So after we have to minus this fraction. So as the denominator is not the same, we will convert the denominator by taking out the common denominator, and we will convert this into we will convert the fraction into by using a common denominator, and we will arrive the number. So 5 divided by 70 will be the sacrificing ratio of A. Next for the B, as the same procedure of A, 3/7 minus 3/10. By putting the LCM and common denominator, we will arrive 30 minus 21 divided by 70, which will give, after the minus, which will we will arrive 9/70. As these are the common denominators, we can write this by 5:9. Okay, the common denominators will be eliminated. These are the basic mathematics. We will be using this. The next problem, is X, Y, Z are the partners in a ratio of 3:2:1. W is admitted with 1/16 they have given in the book. That is wrong. 1/6 the share in the future profit. Here Z would retain his original share. This means Z will not sacrifice any profit with admission of W. This is the word they have been mentioned. So it means he will be retaining the old profit. Whatever he is getting, he will retain. He will not change. Okay. So find out the new profit sharing ratio of the partners. So XYZ are the old partners where they are having 3:2:1 as an old sharing ratio. Now W is admitted with 1/6. It is not 16th. It is 1/6 share in the future profit. So Z retained the same ratio. He will not sacrifice. So I have written a note. So what is the formula of new ratio? So it's simple. Now I have given like sacrifice is equal to old minus new, means the new will be old minus sacrifice. Okay. So first we have to find what is the sacrificing ratio. Now who is going to sacrifice the ratio? Only Z and Y. Sorry, X and Y, not Z. Z will retain the same ratio. Okay. So X 3, Y is 2. When we add this 2, we will be getting 5. So 3/5 into 1/6 of this X. So 1/6. When we multiply, we can be getting 3/30. Y 2/5 into 1/6 of 2/5 will be getting 2/30. Okay, the new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. The old ratio of X is equal to 3/6 minus the sacrificing ratio of X is 3/30. By taking a LCM and a common denominator, we can arrive 12/30. Next, Y 2/6 minus 2/30 will give 8/30. Now, as we are having X and Y as 12/30 and 8/30 with a denominator of 30. But Z and W will have 1/6, 1/6. As we are not having a common denominator, I am making Z and W into a common denominator. So what will be the common denominator? When will I get 30? When I multiply 6 into 5, I will get 30. When a denominator is multiplied by 5, the numerator should also be multiplied with the same number. So 1/6 multiplied by 5 will give me 5/30. Same applies to W. So now we are all having a common denominator. So we can write this as 12:8:5:5. So this will be the new profit sharing ratio. Thank you.